So I'm reading the question. Find the
No,
smallest.
ma'am. Ma'am, I'm asking, should I tell the answer for smallest or greatest?
Smallest.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, if we want to find the smallest, then we would take 8,500 because then 500 would convert into convert 8,000 into 9,000. And ma'am, if we take less than 500, then it would not. And if we take more than it, then it would not remain the smallest.
Ma'am, can you tell me how to find out how to round off? Cause I'm not understanding.
No problem. So we need to find the smallest number which will round off to 9,000. So if I want to find
Ma'am,
the,
can I explain again?
let me explain, Samar.
Sure.
So smallest number, if I have to find out, then see, we need to round it off to the nearest thousand. So let's say if I have to round it off to thousands, ones, tens, hundreds. So I will be looking at hundreds place. So see, if I take it 5, then it will be round off to 9,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If I take it 8,600, then also it will round off to 9,000. But who is the smallest among 8,500 and 8,600?
Ma'am, 8,500.
8,500. So we will be taking that 8,500 is the smallest number which will round off to 9,000.
Yes.
Okay. So now if I proceed to the greatest number, which will round off to 9,000. Yes,
Ma'am,
Sam.
it's 8,900.
No, no. That is not greatest. You can think more.
Ma'am, can submit
Yes,
by
Samar.
ma'am because there can be more. Like if we choose 9499, then it would only get converted in 9,000 because the digit in the hundreds place is less than 5.
Excellent. So let's say you are saying that I should take an 8, then it will not be greatest, Hirday. So if I take 9 and if I restrict the 100 place to 4, then it will all become 0. So 9499, if we round it off, then it will be rounded off to 9,000. So that should be the greatest number, isn't it? Okay, do you got it, Hirday?
Yes.
Please write the solution, then we can proceed to the next.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
If I take the screenshot, it would not matter, right?
Yeah, please take this screenshot if you want. Okay, of the same type, I'm giving another sum. Okay, so please try, both of you.
Sumit sent both.
Okay, Samarth. Both the answers are correct. Just try to write smallest and greatest also. The spelling, you will learn the spelling and typing. That's why I'm suggesting.
Ma'am, can I tell the smallest?
Yeah,
Ma'am, it's 850.
what you are saying?
Ma'am, I'm saying that can I tell the smallest one?
Yeah,
Ma'am, it's 850.
you are correct. Here the smallest is 850. Okay, Hirday, are you ready for the greatest also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, do tell me.
Ma'am, I think the greatest round of 900 will be 900 or 999.
949. Okay, so I'm giving you more sum.
Ma'am, can you tell the first one?
No, please put it on the chat box. I will
Ma'am,
discuss.
Sumit is ready with all. Ma'am, Sumit sent all three of them. Ma'am, Sumit sent all.
Samat, your third one is wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Hirday, your first one is wrong. Are you not following any way? Have you given me the answer of second one? Hirday? And both of you just write the number and then Roman numeral. It should be given like this.
Ma'am, I cannot. I do not know the answer for the third one because the answer I
Can
know
you one written?
is wrong.
Hirday, that is wrong. Third one. See, is there any typing mistake? Then you can understand where you went wrong. And please write the number, then put a dash, then write Roman numeral. It should be done in a correct way.
Ma'am, is my first and second correct?
You are saying this 2 which you have given, that is second and third, or first or third?
Ma'am, first and second are my correct?
No, they are wrong. And I am saying, please put it like 154. Then write what is 154.
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
173. What is 173?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Then
I have doubt in
248.
third because I think my answer is correct.
Your third answer is wrong, Samar.
Ma'am, I think it is
Sir, what,
correct. So can I
what answer is
share
coming
my
across?
explanation?
Sir,
Whenever,
what answer is coming yours?
whenever I'm talking with one student, I hope both of you understand that others should not interrupt. Wait for your turn. We three cannot communicate with each other simultaneously. So wait for let other finish and then you speak. Samarth, why you have raised your hand?
Ma'am, I have to ask something.
Yeah, tell.
I think that my third answer is correct. Can I tell the explanation of that?
No, I don't require explanation and that is wrong.
Sorry, ma'am, it was a typing mistake. Ma'am, I saw my answer again. It was a typing mistake. Ma'am, now is it correct?
Yes, now it is correct. No, now it is also incorrect. There is again a typing mistake. Now it is correct.
Nancy.
Hirday.
Okay.
Samarth, now it is also correct for you also. Please mention.
Ma'am, I forgot to add one. I thought I added it, but it did not get registered.
You have not typed it.
Ma'am, I have typed again the whole number.
So let's discuss 154. That is C is 100, L is 50, IB is 4. 173, C is 100, L is 50, 10 and 10 will make 70 and 3 lines will make 3. 173. 100, 50, 60, 73. 173. 248. So 200 is CC, X, L,
Ma'am, it is difficult. Ma'am,
8.
sometimes I forgot to write one.
Yeah, I know. So let us break the meeting and join again.
Yes, ma'am.